Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a General HP40W. We're going to do a tune-up report for Michael here in Florida. Alright, Michael got a tune-up, receiver mod, and here's something you may not know. That every one of these radios, the talkback is really, really low. Everyone thinks it's defective, so we do a little modification, put a resistor in here. It makes the talkback a little bit louder. We do that for free, and we put it in every one of the units. Just give it an upgrade for everyone. Alright, let's check it out. Low power. 10 watts on the top scale there. Come in at 3 watts. Alright, now I'm going to put this on a 100 watt scale now. See the 3 watts. I'm going to flip the switch to high power. You can see we're getting 30. Got my peak power over here. There's a 250 slug. It's coming up here. It says 100 watts. There's 150 and there's 200. We'll be coming close to that little mark right there, which will be 125. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. All right. And there you have it, and you were able to hear that because of that talkback mod. See? Check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. Audio. Okay. Alright, let's put it on here real quick. Nobody out there. Dead silent. How about a 19? Anybody out there give me a radio check real quick, Breaker? Awful quiet out there. Is this stuff working?
Working, driver.
Appreciate it, driver. Thank you.